One of the other neat things about Kankakee Sands is our bison program here. Back in 2016, we brought in 23 bison from out west as part of the Wind Cave National Park herd. And this is a project that TNC is involved in across North America. Kankakee Sands is our most eastern herd. Today, as we sit here in 2021, we have over 100 bison now on the prairie. They're a great tool for the restoration. We brought them here for that. Prairie requires disturbance. The bison come in and they graze down the grasses. They keep those sort of in check and allow some of the flowers to come up and bloom. They create these wallowing areas, which a lot of insects will use. Amphibians will use. A lot of that disturbance that the bison create, or historically would have created through the prairie, sort of emphasize different species and allow for a more diverse mosaic of habitat for the many species here at Kankakee Sands.